In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the fiscal year-end date in Xero. Whether you're new to Xero or just looking to make some updates in your financial settings, don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step. It's important to have the correct fiscal year-end date for accurate reporting and compliance. And with this video, you'll be able to easily manage this in Xero. First, let's start by heading over to Xero.com. Go ahead and open your web browser and type the URL directly into the address bar. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Xero account. If you're already logged in, you'll see the Xero dashboard, and that's where our journey begins. Take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You should see the name of your organization displayed there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. This drop-down is where you'll find various settings and options related to your organization. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This will lead you to a page where you can adjust different elements of your account. Now that you're on the settings page, navigate under the section labeled General Settings. Within this area, you'll find an option for Financial Settings. Click on this and you'll be directed to a more specialized page dedicated to financial configurations. It's here where we can make the change to the fiscal year-end date. Look carefully and you'll spot a field called Financial Year-End Date. This is where you've got the current date settings. To change it, you'll need to click directly on this field. This action will activate the selection options for both the month and the day. This step is crucial, as you'll want to ensure you choose the correct new date for the end of your fiscal year. Typically, this might be something like December 31st, but it can differ depending on your specific organizational needs or local regulations. Once you've chosen your new month and day, it's important that we save these changes to ensure they're applied. You'll find a Save button nearby. Click on it to lock in your new fiscal year-end date. This is the final step in the process, and it ensures that any financial reports generated moving forward will reflect the new fiscal year period. Remember, updating your fiscal year-end date is a significant change, so double-check everything before you hit save. If you have any doubts, consulting with your accountant or financial advisor would be a good idea. This wraps up the process, and you should now see the updated settings. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on updating your fiscal year-end date in Xero. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips and guides on getting the most out of Xero.